Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in this 1974 Plymouth Duster. This one here has a 318 under the hood, power steering, disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. We're going to take her down the road, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We'll do our best to describe this car. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. See all of our inventory on that website as well. We do ship cars all over the nation. Also, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Go ahead and shut this hood down. Something new that I'm doing, if you like the music at the beginning of the video, go ahead. Check out Southgate Production. I make all those songs. Something new we're adding. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead. You think the horn works? A little game we like to play on this channel. Do have the face to the radio in the office. Dash pad needs a little bit of help. This car is more of a project car. It's got a lot of flaws, so we're going to be going over everything with that in mind. Showing 59,000 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that. We will stop at the gas station, make sure it's got gas. Gas gauge is on E. Try some stuff out here, maybe the wipers. It's going to need a wiper setup. I don't know if it's the motor or the wiring. Horn does not work. Around the interior, the seats are a little bit rough. They're going to need to be replaced. Headliner is going to need to be replaced for sure. Let's see how she drives down the road. All right, guys, get my seatbelt on here. Trying to lock me out. There we go. The seatbelt's just going to fight me this whole time. There we go. All right. Anything I see or can tell that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. We do our best to go over everything on these vehicles. Looks like our heater controls are like back behind the dash. I'm gonna say they need work as well. They got the actual rivets popped out of them. Trying to just get it cut on. It's not working. Here's gonna need some front end work for sure. I feel it pulling all over the road. Kick down's not hooked up. Feel every bump in the front end too. The steering's actually pretty tight for what it is. It's just kind of pulling us all over the roads, pulling to the right. If I let go of it, we're going that way. Let's try our brakes before we get too close to somebody. The brakes are not bad. They don't feel bad at all. hear the turn signals clicking behind the dash, but I don't see anything popping up here. I can hear it left and right. I just don't see any indication popping up on the dash that it's working. We're gonna pull in here, throw about $20 worth of fuel in this car, and keep this ride rolling. All right, up here at the gas station, we're gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this one. We'll check and see if that gas gauge is working. Just turn the key on here, our gas gauge is working and it's coming up. It was dead on E when we got here. All right. All right, I haven't noticed any overheating, but I did notice an antifreeze leak. I can't tell if it's coming from the overflow jug, the bottom of it. There's plenty of antifreeze left in the car. But I'm gonna have to investigate on that, see where it's coming from. If anything, we just get a radiator and put it in the car. The steering on this car is the main issue that I'd get fixed. As long as you're hanging on, it's going straight. If you let go, it will definitely pull to the right. The speedometer's not coming up on this car either. Our temp gauge is not working. I did pop the hood, check, make sure it wasn't overheating. Everything seems good there. Just because I did see that antifreeze. This is the road with a speed bump in it. I'm sure there's lots of rattles in this car. Here's a speed bump right here. That's not too bad. Proved me wrong there. We're gonna head on back to the lot now and we'll do a walk around on this car, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, under the hood, and check the interior out. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Do have close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is listed on that website. Hit that subscribe button and check out Southgate Production if you like the music at the beginning of this video. I did put a link in the top right corner. That's another channel that I'm building. I'm gonna start putting songs on every night. So appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.